Right, here they are. They are measuring some panels here. Here we are. We're at Freeman Street Cottages, and this is one of our dream wall panel piedra stone panel PR70 brickwork. And he's cutting it off, and as you can see, they've got an installation going up on the wall. And he's now going to use a pretzel. He's got two guys there. Fabulous. And there you go, that's what he's done, and I'm gonna follow him now. Don't worry, I've got your face on it. Wow, look how fast they're working now. And then they're gonna slot it into there. Somehow that's gonna slot in there.
Steve.
And that's it. Fabulous. There you go. And that goes.
Take a little bit out.
Yeah. And there you go, and that joins in there nicely. And then all he has to do then is, so what's he going to do here? He's going to measure where he's going to have to cut out certain sections of it. But can you see where the brickwork, no matter how difficult the area is to fit in, it fits in nicely. And this is what the boys have all done now, and they're doing a whole wall of it, as you can see. So here they are, the boys installing. So he's got to take this back. And there he is. Tapping down. He's got to cut out certain sections there, so he's going to use a handsaw. This is how easy it is to use. So he's just shaving off the edge of it to put in. It's a nice environment, isn't it, lads? And there's all the bits and pieces there. What's all that stuff there then? Is that just wastage?
Not quite.
It's good, yeah, I was going to say it's good. Yeah. You know, if you do get a load of wastage, can you keep it for us? Because they're always telling me to have a sample stock. Yeah, it's going to be brilliant. So all of that is going to be covered with my panels there. So there you go. That's an installation. Brickwork. Easy.